Have you ever noticed how peaceful you feel when you create something with your own hands? Crafting is not only about making beautiful decoration, it can also be a wonderful way to slow down, focus on the present moment, and enjoy a little peaceful time for ourselves. This is where mindful comes in. Mindful crafting means giving your full attention to what you are doing, feeling the material, enjoy the colors, focusing on each little details, and letting worries. Creative activities can help us practice focus, patience, relaxation, and being present in the moment. And today is X-Mix Craft is more than just a decoration. It comes with a little X-Mix story about creativity, love, and the simple joy of making something with our own hands. Now we are talking about little X-Mix story. Once upon a time, in a small and cozy home, X-Mix was just around the corner. The X-Mix tree was small, and there were only a few decorations around the house. A little girl looked around and thought, "This X-Max, I want to decorate our home with something made by my own hands." She collected a few simple things she already had at home. Some old paper, ribbon, jute, buttons, and little leftover materials. She sat down and began creating. Slowly she cut, folded, glued, and decorated each little piece. She did not hurry, she simply enjoyed the moment. When every little detail she added, a smile appeared on her face, and after sometimes something beautiful began to appear. It was not expensive, it was not perfect, but it was made with love. She ran to her mother and said, "Mom, X-Max is not only about buying new things, X-Max is about love, creativity, and making beautiful memories together." Her mother smiled and replied, "You are right. And this little decoration made by your own hands is this beautiful and most special decoration in our home. Let's make our X-Mix craft." And now, let's create something unique. And now let's create something beautiful together. First, let's gather and simple materials. Take your time as you prepare each piece. There is no need to rush, cut, fold, arrange, and decorate each part slowly. As you work, pay attention to the little details, the texture of the materials, the colors, the feelings of creating something completely from scratch. Now let's add our X-Mix decoration ribbon and little detail to make it even more special. Look how beautiful these simple materials are coming together. Something ordinary is slowly becoming a beautiful X-Mix decoration. The real beauty of crafting. I want to tell you about some real beauty of crafting. But you know what makes a craft truly special? It is not only a final result, it's a peaceful time well spent creating it. When we focus on a creative activity, we give ourselves a chance to slow down and enjoy the present moment. A little while we can put our busy thoughts aside and simply enjoy creating. That's one of the beautiful things about mindfulness, being present, enjoy the moment, and appreciating the little things, the final X-Mix moment. And now our X-Mix craft is finally complete. The simple idea, a few old materials, a little creativity, and lots of love. This X-Mix, remember that not everyone beautiful things has to be bought. Sometimes the most meaningful decoration are the ones we create ourselves. So gather your family, enjoy some creative time together, make something beautiful, and create memories that will stay in your heart long after X-Max is over. Because X-Max is not just about decorating home, it's about filling that home with love, warmth, creativity, and happiness. Hello Crafty, hello everyone, and make your home feel very warm and special. So take care of yourselves and your family members. Now we talk about something beautiful and amazing. So viewers, hope you're enjoying this video and these crafty ideas and very beautiful and amazing designs. Thank you for being a part of this journey. We want to show you amazing and beautiful designs. So here are some amazing and beautiful designs are here. When our X-Mix craft is finished, we may have a beautiful decoration in our hands, but perhaps we have created something even more valuable, a peaceful moment, a created memory, and time spent being present. So this X-Mix gives yourself permission to slow down, but away the rush for a little while. Creating something when your hands spend time with people you have. Notice the little things and remember, sometimes the most beautiful X-Mix moments are not the ones we buy. They are the moments we slow down and if you truly feel happy X-Mix, and may your X-Mix be filled with peace, creativity and mindfulness. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy X-Mix, and thank you be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Keep watching, keep supporting, and don't forget to make this beautiful more and more beautiful things. Thank you be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care. Wishing you a very happy good day. I wish your home fulfilled with craft, love and happiness, togetherness. So viewers, hope you enjoying this video. These beautiful craft design made with jute and beautiful multiple things like button. And have you ever watched the pebble ideas on my channel and the creative fabric craft ideas? We give you many more designs like fabric craft, fabric sewing craft, fabric sewing project, and button projects and pebble project. Many more design we gives you in our channel. So thank you be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. We will definitely try to bring for you the most beautiful designs. So hope you enjoying this video. Hope you enjoying these designs. Thank you. Stay blessed. Which design you like the most? Write your opinion in the comment section. Write your opinion in the comment section. Thank you be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. I wish your home fulfilled with love, prosperity, and make more beautiful things. Make beautiful craft, whatever you want to make. And if you already had some old things, so use them and make something beautiful with them. So thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay blessed. Write your opinion in the comment section. I wish your home fulfilled with love and many more you want to have in your life. Thank you so much. Wishing you a very happy good day. I wish your home fulfilled with craft, love and happiness, togetherness. So viewers, hope you enjoying this video. These beautiful craft design made with jute and beautiful multiple things like button. And have you ever watched the pebble ideas on my channel and the creative fabric craft ideas? We give you many more designs like fabric craft, fabric sewing project, and button projects and pebble project. Many more design we gives you in our channel. So thank